This time, the self-extinguishing candle lantern. Snake's 1-minute survival tip. A lighted candle is a potential fire hazard, whether at home or in your outdoor camp. With 2 nails, an empty tin can and some water, you can significantly reduce the risk of an unintentional fire catastrophe. Especially if the lighted candle is left alone, or you simply fall asleep. As soon as the candle burns down to the nails, it drops into the can, which is partly filled with water. Well, that's it. Until next time. Stay safe, stay smart.